Say hello to Blue Heaven's Such Dhaj kit. This glittery pack comes with 10 different products, making it a perfect all-in-one solution for the upcoming festive season. The Get Bright Liquid Foundation suits all skin types and creates an even skin tone. The Instant Glow Matte Compact sets the makeup, making it long-lasting. The Deep Black Kajal and Eyeliner Duo with smudge-proof and waterproof formula. The Get Bold Eyebrow Pencil shapes and fills in the brows. And the Volumizing 10x Mascara adds volume and length to your lashes. The beautifully heart-shaped Love Charm Lip Balm has a lovely pink tint. Get Matte Lipstick has a beautiful color that you just can't go wrong with. And the non-transfer matte lip color is long-lasting. Last but not the least, you can never go wrong with a nifty scrunchie adding a pop of color to your hair. Grab your kit now! Exclusively available on Amazon.